What is a product roadmap and why is it needed? Imagine you're building a pirate ship. A product roadmap is like your treasure map. It shows where you want your ship, your product, to go, what booty, features you want to collect along the way, and roughly when you'll get there. How it started: back in the day, software was built like giant ships, slow and hard to change course. Roadmaps helped keep everyone on the same page, avoiding mutiny, confusion. Why we need one: even the smoothest sail, development can hit choppy waters, new ideas, customer feedback. A roadmap helps you adapt without getting lost at sea, missing deadlines, confusing priorities. Here's why it's important. Treasure hunt with a plan, you know what features to tackle first, keeping everyone focused and avoiding wasted resources. Flexible like a pirate captain, things change. The roadmap allows you to adjust course based on new information or priorities. Everyone knows their grok duty, job. The roadmap keeps everyone informed about what's coming up and how their work fits in. Building your roadmap. 1. Crew meeting, brainstorming. Gather your team, sales, marketing, developers, and figure out your destination, product vision, and the coolest features, key functionalities. 2. Treasure map time, planning. Sketch out a timeline, prioritize features based on importance and difficulty, and mark down milestones, releases. 3. Setting sail, execution. Use your roadmap as a guide, but be ready to make adjustments as needed. New islands, opportunities might appear, and that's okay. Remember, a roadmap is a living document, not set in stone. It's your guide to building a fantastic product, just like your treasure map is your guide to becoming a legendary pirate captain.